Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to CraftyPlannerLovR. My name is Megan and today we are going to be planning in my Hobonichi Weeks Catchall planner for the week of August 17th through the 23rd using this beach kit from SammyLynnPlanning. Hello guys, I am back. I said that I was going to start being more, consistent in my videos, and then I just lacked. And I'm so sorry, you guys. I kind of talked about it in my spread for my social media planner this week, but long story short, it was the first week back of school with preschoolers, so I came home every day with migraines because everyone was screaming and missing mommy and daddy, so I'm wiped. So I think I uploaded, at the time of me filming this, I haven't figured out what I'm doing, but I'm pretty sure that I have combined my weeks and my social media spread from last week into one video, so you guys can see that delayed plan with me and see how I did that. But that is what's been happening, and that's why my videos have stopped from last week. But this is the kit we're using for this week. We are using the SammyLynnPlanning Beach Kit. It is so pretty and it has a lot of fun colors and details, so I'm excited to use this. I don't know if it's on her shop anymore, but I know that there's a beach kit in her shop now, so you can use that. And then I also have some leftovers from her tropical, like the Christmas one for the Hobonichi Cousin. Hobonichi Cousin Daily. So I have those pieces that I thought would match well and add some color to the spread. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm sure you guys saw the new, this is not how I wanted this to go. Let go. How do I want to do this? Maybe like right here? No, that's too far down. A little bit up. There we go. I'm sure you guys saw my new cover. It's not a new cover. I actually got it from Temu. But it's a new cover for my planner for you guys. It's not new for me because I've had it for a while. But I just decided that I wanted to use it for this, season, for the fall season. I can't pull that up now that I have ripped it. Anyway, that's fine. Summer going into fall. I can't speak today. So I decided that I wanted to use that cover, because the other cover I have is technically for a what is it called? A traveler's notebook. And I was like, well, I probably should use something that's not a traveler's notebook, just for, my sanity, so that it, matches. I don't know what I'm saying. I wanted a different cover. That's long story short of it. I wanted a different cover. Oh my gosh. Oh goodness. I did not put this page back on here like it's supposed to go. So now it's stuck. And what I don't want, there we go. Okay. Well, this didn't work out because I still need this. I'm going to put this up here. I am not talking very well today, apparently. I'm just doing great with my words. I think it's because I haven't been able to really speak at all today. It is actually Saturday afternoon, and I shamelessly slept until 11 a.m. and for those of you that know me, you know that that's not really a surprise because I used to sleep late every single day. But ever since I had started this preschool job, I hadn't been sleeping in as much. Like, I'd been getting up at like 9, which is still late for some people, but that's super early for me. And I hadn't been able to, like, what's the word I'm looking for? go back to sleep. That would be the word we're looking for, Megan. I hadn't been able to go back to sleep after I wake up, and that used to be something I could do. And it's probably because, you know, my body's used to the schedule that I would be in at work. But it's also probably due to my age. I'm getting, you know, a little bit older. I'm not old, but I'm getting older. So, of course, my body is getting more used to, you know, getting up early and things like that. So, anywho, I slept really late. So that's how I know that I really, 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 really needed the rest. And I just now got started on my filming for this week. So, and it's 3 p.m. It's 3 p.m. and I just now got started, which I used to, when I was living with my parents, I would get up at like 8 a.m.-ish on Saturday mornings. I would film my videos, and then most of the time I would either go back to sleep or I would just stay up and then take a little nap. But I haven't been doing that recently because I've just been so exhausted, and, you know, life. So, yeah, I guess I just really needed to sleep. Do you guys usually get up early on the weekends, or does your body just wake you up as if it's just another day in paradise and you're just awake at, you know, whatever time you get up in the mornings on the weekdays? Because I feel like it's one of the two for everybody. I feel like it's either that your body says, "Oh no, we're not waking up early, it's the weekend," or your body is like, "What are you still doing asleep? We've got things to do, get up." Because that's how my body is recently. It's just like, "Hey, we got things to do, time to wake up, you know, get yourself together. We got things to do." And unfortunately, I've got things to do on Sunday, so I really wasn't able to sleep in too much this weekend. So I'm really glad that I was able to sleep in today, because next weekend I have promised to help out with a pop-up event that my sister's having, which I don't have to help out with them. I just think that it's nice because she does this all by herself, and, you know, I'm just sitting at home doing nothing. I might as well get out and enjoy life while I can, you know, enjoy life as it is. So, oh, there it is. I was like, I lost my thing, but I did not. I think I'm going to switch it, and this is going to be down here. And we're going to put this one right here. I don't really know what these lists are for. They're going to be for something, some sort of to-do list, but I have yet to figure out what they're going to be for. I poked myself with these tweezers. They're very sharp, and I love them, but I always forget that they're sharp, and I always poke myself with them. There we go. Nice. So then I will put our habit trackers right here. I just feel like switching it up a little bit this week, because usually I have these up here at the top, and then I have my lists at the bottom, but I just felt like I might as well switch it up just a little bit, because I think it's boring to do the same stuff over and over again. Right? There we go. Now I have this. I have to cut it because I want a little razzle dazzle. I might have to cut it again. I might not. It might be okay. I don't know, I kind of like that. cool, you guys. I kind of like this. I think it looks cool. Let's see. Okay, let's do this. We'll just lift that up. You know what I'll do, guys? I've figured it out. I've got this. Everything's okay. We're gonna do the titles like this and like this. There we go. Okay, then we're gonna have, oh, whoops, we missed one. Okay, this title here. And another, oh goodness, we gotta move this down. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, this is gonna be my to plan list. This is gonna be my to-do list. Let's do important to clean and, oh, how about whether we switch it to be notes up here when I can do another little thingy. Hold on. Okay, this week this is gonna be important to clean. And then this will be notes. And then we have what, 4? 1? Oh, 5. Okay. Little boxes to put things in. I think I'm gonna be having something delivered on Monday, so we'll put something here, and I have a Happy Mail script somewhere, but I think we'll just put in this box. And then we're gonna add, let's do a box here and one right, just put it right here on top of that. We'll put a box here. I have enough space for another box and I'm thinking of putting it here. Yeah, let's do that. There we go. And I can use one of these. Oh, and I have a payday this week. Where is my reusable sticker book? So let's use this gold script for Friday. And I think our payday title, we're gonna use this one. There we go. I was struggling over here. Okay. Anything else that I want to add? I don't think so. Oh, there's an event. I think I might have a script that says event. I don't, but I do have this that I can use to mark that event. And I think that's everything that I need here. So, just need to color this in with some sort of color. And I think I'm going to use this guy. It kind of blends. It kind of doesn't. It's fine. Everything is great. Alright, I think that is it for this week in my Hobonichi Weeks planner using the SammyLynnPlanning kit the beach one. I like this. I'm very happy with how it turned out, and I think that it is super fun. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the rest of the videos in this planner. I will leave them linked in the description box below, as well as information to SammyLynnPlanning. Don't forget to use my code Megan20 to save yourself 20% off of your order, and you'll receive my freebie for the month. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys!